Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm posting a video today because I won't be able to post a video next week or the week after. So, may as well get started. What we're going to draw first is right in the middle of our paper, shape like this. Like a mound kind of shape. Then we're going to go out. Back in, out, back in, out, back in, out, back in. Basically, the shape of a ghost. I'm going to use a thinner pen for this bit. But we're now going to draw inside bits, because there's not much on the outside. And we're going to be drawing an eyeball. So, sorry, pardon me. We're going to be drawing this big circle. Like that. And we're going to draw a smaller circle here. And a bigger circle here. Like that. And then I'll colour in between that in a minute. And I'm going to draw their mouth. His mouth. And he's going to be smiling. If you draw a smile like that, and then draw two little circles like that, and then from here, go all the way around, quite far away and up, like that, and that is their mouth. We're now going to draw its teeth, because it's got some fangs, so starting from here, go down like that. Start from there, go down like that. And then same thing, just down like that. Then down like that. And I'm going to just draw some smaller ones in between that. I'm now going to draw a tongue as well. Like that. And I will colour that in when I'll colour behind that in when I'm colouring it in. Now I'm going to draw his ears. His ears are a funny shape. They're almost like, you've got to start from here, go up, round, back like that, then the same, just like that, then same here. Quite big ears, then just draw the same but smaller on the inside, like that. And that is the alien done. It's pretty simple drawing today. It was just a quick drawing because I didn't want to make it too long because it's just like almost an extra one. But so I'm going to colour it in now. I might add a bit of texture kind of stuff around where it goes, like here. Maybe around here as well. But then that's it really. I might draw some claws on the end of its tentacle things. So what you want to do is just go out like that and back in. Whenever you don't have to do that. This is just an extra kind of addition to the alien. Like that. There is the alien done. I need to colour it in. Thank you for watching this video.